Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kalla bal tuhibbuna al-ajila wa ta'ziruna al-akhirah. Wujuhun yawma idhin nazirah إلى ربها ناظرة ووجوه يومئذ باسرة تظن أن يفعل بها فاخرة كلا إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راك وجن أنه الفراق والتفات الساق بالساق إلى ربك يومئذ المساق صدق الله العلي العظيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي آمين يا رب العالمين ربنا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Now I recited the Surah Al-Qiyamah, the chapter number 75, the verse number from uh, from 19 to 27, and describe Allah Subhanahu wa Taala describes the day of Qiyamah and the day of when all people stand up in the front of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. And the next event, Kalla bal tuhibbuna al-ajla. Not at all, but you like, you like the worldly life, you like, and wataziruna al-akhirah, but you reject and you forget the hereafter life, because the hereafter life is the real life forever. We have to reside there, and this world is for just we are here as a traveler, just the traveler. They go on the tour, and the mission is to reach that destination. So this world is our not a destination. Our destination is hereafter life. So we should not forget about it, because in the world this life is just we are tested in the world. So that Allah say, Kalla, not at all, but Kalla bal tuhibbuna al-ajila. You like the world matter, materialistic thing you like. Watazirul akhirah, and you forget or reject, you denied the real life hereafter. وَوَجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ نَاظِرَةٌ, and that day some faces are happy and bright. إِلَى رَبِّكَ نَاظِرَةٌ, and looking their lords. وَوَجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَاسِرَةٌ, and that day some faces were sad. تَجُنَّ أَنْ يَفْعَلُ بِهَا فَاخِرَةٌ, and they know there something will be happening with his terrible, because the day he did not send anything as a good deed when he was in world, so he forget the hereafter life, so that he was in very wonder what is happening here. So that day some faces are very sad. They are knowing something is going to terrible with him. Kalla, not at all. Ija balaghatit taraqi wa qila man raaq. not at all, when the soul reached to the throat, when the people die, at that time the soul ejected from the body and that reached to the throat, and from there the angel taken out the soul. That the event describing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَإِذَا بَلَغَتِ التَّرَاقِ وَقِيلَ مَنْ رَاقٍ, and some who say, who is anyone to save him? As we know, when the people is dying, we call some Muli Sahib, call him to just save his life by recite some Quranic ayah. So that is the event Allah Tabarak Ta'ala describing the events of that time. وَجَنَّ عَنَّهُ الْفِرَاقِ, and he is knowing this time is to go and return to the Lord, and we are leaving the world. So every people know when he died, that time he understood this time is now finished his life and going to the Allah. وَالْتَفَّتِ السَّاقُ بِالسَّاقِ, when the both legs joined together, at the time of death the both legs joined together, so that the leg joined together in the death time. And إِلَى رَبِّكَ يَوْمَئِذٍ الْمَسَاقُ, and that day the return, the journey is end to the Allah and will to your Lord. And at this time I want to finish my talk by this, and I hope so we should try to understand the reality and the events of the day of judgment. We have to face, and before that when we will die, what would happen in the world and hereafter life. So Allah Ta'ala gives the guidance and Hidayah to all people, not the Muslims, and all people. This is the guidance, the Quran is guidance for all people. So I request you to kindly share the video to the more people to join us hand with us to spread the message of Islam. بارك الله والقرآن العظيم ونفعنا وإياكم بالآيات والذكر الحكيم.